And this woman is a storm the likes of...
Uh-oh, Dragon Sleeper applied. This could be it.
Is hope fading?
Showing the world just how much fight she's got left.
What a shot! Boom, what a forearm! In control with the waistlock.
Down to the mat and gets into a headlock position. Sharp punch. Ooh.
Oh, what a right!
Yeah, that's some attitude behind it. Oh, using the knee as a weapon.
A consistent attack being mounted on Flair.
Jade is stifling the opposition now.
Charlotte showing how much punishment she can withstand before dishing out some of her own.
Yeah, Charlotte able to stop that surge dead in its tracks.
Charlotte Flair is such a hard-hitting arsenal. Corey, is there any way you can take the edge off her offense?
You really want to focus on those long limbs of hers, Cole. If you can wear down her arms and legs, you'll make her half as dangerous. That's your best bet here.
Trapping the leg.
Whoa. Oh, God, I think I heard her ankle pop.
Stomp right to the belly. Jade taking on some damage.
The Queen landing an impressive attack, trying to dominate the opposition. I think she's looking to end things here.
Oh, my.
She went airborne and missed.
Up and...
Oh, knee right to the spine.
Ooh.
Elbow drop.
Cargill just looking to humiliate her opponent.
Heading back into the ring now.
Oh, that's right. How's that for a message?
Kick out just in time.
You have to think this match is starting to take its toll.
She gets put in the corner. Oh, man! Ouch.
She's getting fired up, ready to show her opponent what she's got.
She's fighting to get back up, but I don't think that fight's about to matter. Take off.
Ooh, poorly timed, high-risk attempt.
Go behind.
German
Knife!
And Charlotte got rocked off of that one.
Yeah, you can see the physical cost of this match.
Bomb.
Picture perfect example for when you just want to put someone down with authority.
Down with a power bomb. These are big power moves becoming more devastating with every attempt.
clothesline.
Charlotte Flair looking to cinch in the figure 4 leg lock. Can she bridge through?
Figure 8 from the Queen.
Charlotte Flair can...
Oh, there is no way out of the figure 8. No way at all.
I think you might be mistaken, Saxton.
Spear!
What a counter! Bam! She flipped that attack around.
She braces for impact.
Choke slam!
Looking to capitalize on that move.
Fights out in 2.
She just won't stay down.
Goes under the ropes and into the ring. Intercepted by Jade. She heads out of the ring.
Needs to mind the official count.
Trampling the opposition.
Off the barricade.
Delivered into the barricade.
Not a good spot to be in.
Oh, no, 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 no.
face first.
Not looking good in this position. Oh, face first off the apron. Jade's gaining the upper hand.
See, those focused attacks on Charlotte have really made her far less damaging here. But she's not, can't be counted out.
And Charlotte can't find an answer for these attacks.
Charlotte trying to withstand this surge.
On a leg drop, bulldog.
Oh my goodness, dribbling the opponent's head like a basketball.
She knew how to evade that. And she denies Charlotte. Big boot.
And gets sent right into the corner.
Getting tossed around. Ouch.
Jade's fully intent on ending things here.
The unparalleled strength of Jade Cargill on display as she executes Jade.
Has Jade settled this?
There's two. Almost.
This competitor grabbing hold of their opponent's arm, delivering a clothesline, but look at this, holding on for more. A second clothesline, and you can only imagine that the trio.
Cargill controlling the pace now.
Cargill has the tide of this match in her favor.
Caught by the back of the elbow. Charlotte showing she's not out of it.
She knows what it takes to stay in this fight.
And a third.
How about Trent?
These women are ripping each other to shreds.
How are they moving? These combatants have been beaten to all hell.
Yikes, that'll either wake you up or knock you out. The powerhouse Cargill standing over a fallen opponent. Applies the double chicken wing. This is the beginning of the end.
With Jade, Charlotte is in trouble.
Transitions into the pin. Is this it? And a win here tonight. That'll change her career. And tonight, Charlotte couldn't finish the job.